Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to work on our spelling sound mapping. Will you go ahead and pause the video and go and get the spelling sound mapping worksheet out of the black bins. All right, we're going to be talking about the 3 different ways that we can pronunciate for S and ES. You'll see at the top of the video Mrs. Lindquist has written S equals S, S equals Z, and ES equals ES. Those are the sounds. So I'm going to highlight the sounds. If you see, this is a sound in between the 2 lines, and this is a sound between the 2 lines. And this is a sound between the 2 lines. What I'm highlighting in blue is how you spell that sound. So S spells S. S also can spell Z, and ES spells ES. All right, I'm gonna say some words and I want you to think about those different spellings as we spell these words. Remember that in this spelling sound mapping, each sound gets its own box. The first word is the word bats. Bats. Let's push up the sounds. B, A, T, S. Oh, I hear the S sound at the end, so I know it's just spelled with an S. Let's go ahead and write the sounds. B. Oh, I'm going to change my color back to black. Just 1 minute. Okay. B, A, T, S. Bats. Okay, I want everyone to practice this so we're ready for our spelling test. Now I'm going to take the sounds and I'm going to write it over here next to the number 1. B, A, T, S. Bats. All right, pause the video to catch up. Okay, good job. The next word is the word bugs. Ooh, let's push up those sounds. B, A, G, Z. Oh, I hear the Z sound. I know that S also spells the Z sound. I'm going to go and write the word bugs. B, A, G, Z. All right, now I'm going to write bugs again next to the number 2. B, A, G, Z. Go ahead and pause the video to catch up. Good job. The next word is the word wishes. Oh, I hear a Z at the end. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in or push up the sounds. W, I, sh, is. All right, I also hear a consonant digraph in that word. Remember that consonant digraphs share a box. W, I, sh, is. I'm going to write wishes next to line number 3. Go ahead and pause the video to catch up. The next word is the word ducks. Let's push up the sounds. D, A, K, S. Oh, I hear a S sound at the end of the word. I also hear a consonant digraph, so I'm going to make sure I put the consonant digraph in its own box. D, A, K, S. Now I'm going to write ducks next to line number 4. Go ahead and pause the video to catch up. The next word is the word waves. Z. Push up the sounds. W, A, V, Z. Oh, A says its name, so I know there's a silent E. All right, let's write the sounds. W, A, Oh, if there's a silent E, remember I put it here in this baby box. Z. Now I'm gonna go ahead and write waves next to line number 5. Oh, I forgot to do my vowel connection. There we go. There's my vowel connection. W, A, Z. All right, pause the video to catch up. The next word is the word lunches. Lunches. All right, I'm gonna push up the sounds. O, n, ch, z. Let's go ahead and write the sounds. O, n, ch. Oh, consonant digraph. Z. Now I'm gonna write lunches next to line number 6. Pause the video to catch up. The next word is the word sniffs. Sniffs. The ending sound is s. Let's push up the sounds. S, n, I, f, s. Okay, let's write the word. S, n, I, f. Oh, I'm going to double that final consonant. Next to line number 7, write the word. Go ahead and pause the video to catch up. The next word is the word songs. Oh, that ending sound is z. Remember, that's one of the sounds that S can make. I'm going to push up the sounds. S, n, s. Songs. Oh, Mrs. Lindquist pushed up those sounds wrong. Remember, we learned that one of the phonograms was ong, so that's going to share a box. Songs. Songs. I'm going to write it next to line number 8. Go ahead, pause the video to catch up. The next word is Mrs. Z. I'm going to push up the sounds. M, I, s, is. M, I, s. All right, I'm going to go ahead and next to line number 9 and write the word Mrs. Okay. Good job. Make sure you put your name on the top right up here so Mrs. Lindquist knows whose paper it is. Pause the video while you catch up. All right, be sure to turn this into the top basket and start to work on the rest of your must-do, may-do list. Remember to be independent learners. Have a great day.